A 6.1% increase is projected for Hyperliquid by March 20 per digital coin price. Let's kick things off by looking at the latest price movement. At the moment, Hyperliquid is showing a 4.7% decline since yesterday and trades close to $39.86. On to what the experts have projected. CoinDataFlow thinks the asset may decline toward $39.13 tomorrow, with a potential drop of 1.9%. Hyperliquid might move up to $39.93 according to CoinLore. That's roughly 0.1% up. Traders Union highlights the possibility of testing $41.67, marking a gain near 4.5%. Another outlook from Digital Coin Price highlights Hyperliquid may head higher to $42.31, a rise close to 6.1%. And to end, Gov Capital Collector points toward $46.22 by tomorrow, 15.9% higher. This forecast leads in potential profitability. That wraps our top projections. Let's dig further. After combining all the analyst predictions, here's the full picture. Based on the combined forecasts from all analysts, the price could range between a decline of 1.9% and a rise of 15.9% depending on the analyst. As the data shows, Gov Capital Collector offers the top projected return with 15.9% growth in value by tomorrow. From this, it's clear you could earn between $1 and $159 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, CoinLore's forecast shows the greatest probability of success at 98.2%. By collecting the forecasts side by side, I've drawn a consolidated consensus outlook. Based on the consensus, Hyperliquid may advance by around 4.9% by tomorrow. Let's review the details step by step. Consensus outlook places the price up around 4.9%. Seen another way, your capital could also expand by 4.9%. If you had $1,000 invested, the scenario could point to $49 in return. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 83.5%. Let's take a moment to explore the market direction for the next 3 days, based on analysts' views. CoinDataFlow expects a bearish continuation. CoinLore highlights a balanced short-term outlook. A bullish view also comes from Traders Union, who sees the price advancing. Meanwhile, Digital Coin Price describes the near-term outlook as bullish. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector describes Hyperliquid as following a rising course. Bringing together each of the forecasts, the consensus emphasizes upward momentum for Hyperliquid across this 3-day outlook. From this overview, the majority conclusion is that Hyperliquid will lean upward over the coming 3 days. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Let's see how they compared with reality. As a result, the market settled at $42.11. As it turned out, only one forecast lined up with the actual trend. The most precise forecast belonged to Gov Capital Collector. Time to analyze the results piece by piece. The candle limits contain 2 forecasts. For ROI performance, some analysts stayed above zero, with the maximum gain at 2.1%. Take a look at the results table. It shows the overall outcome of all forecasts. As part of today's review, CoinCodex posted 2.1% ROI and accuracy. See if your favorite analyst managed to stay closest to the move. And now we can observe how the predicted returns for tomorrow differ across a few assets. Hyperliquid is ranked number 1 for tomorrow's forecasted profitability, showing 4.9%. This is just a preview with 5 cryptocurrencies, and the extended comparison of potential returns among many assets will also be added to my website and Telegram shortly. Before you go, subscribe to stay updated with the next group of analyst predictions. Catch you later.